Okay, let's go on to the next question, guys. Let A and B be two regular polygons having A and B sides respectively. If B is equal to twice of A and each interior angle of B is 3 by 2 times each interior angle of A, then each interior angle in degrees of a regular polygon with A plus B sides is. Okay. So they're giving you mainly two types of information here. First, that there are two regular polygons. Okay, A capital A है, दूसरा capital B है. Okay, capital A has A number of sides and capital B has B number of sides. They are giving you the relation between A and B. So B, small b, is nothing but 2A. So number of sides on the polygon, regular polygon B, is twice of A, right, in this case. And each interior angle of B is 3 by 2 times each interior angle of A. Okay, now guys, suppose if a regular polygon has n number of sides, what is the value of each interior angle? We saw previously n minus 2 into 180 divided by n. So if a regular polygon has a number of sides, the value of each interior angle is how much? A minus 2 into 180 divided by A. Okay. Same way you can say each interior angle for regular polygon having B sides would be B minus 2 into 180 divided by B. But the question says B is equal to 2A. मैंने ऊपर highlight भी किया हुआ है, right? So we substitute B by 2A. Now this value, okay, the each interior angle of B, this value, guys, is given as 3 by 2 times of this value, right? है ना, इसी को मैथमेटिकली we'll just write it here. Okay, 2A minus 2 into 180 upon 2A is 3 by 2 into A minus 2 into 180 divided by A. Cancel out the 180, cancel out A, cancel out the 2, 2. You will directly get 2A minus 2 is 3A minus 6 or A is equal to 4. Okay, the question says B equals to 2A, right guys? So B कितना हो जाएगा? 2 times 4, which is equal to 8. अब क्वेश्चन पूछता क्या है में से each interior angle for regular polygon having A plus B sides. A plus B अब कितना हो जाएगा guys? 4 plus 8 हो जाएगा 12. So in the same formula, n minus 2 into 180 divided by n, we substitute n equals to 12, and you have your answer as each interior angle as 150 degrees. This was CAT 2019. 2 साल पहले आया था same question.